Hi guys, back with your girl Leia. I know this is my first video I've ever made, so if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe and comment. So I'm just going to be giving you a tour of all my slimes and my friend. But she don't make the best slimes because she make them with Tide, but we are going to show you those anyway. Now let's get on to the video. Okay, I know nothing happened, but whatever. So, first slime is my green slime that's kind of like all on my lid. Some of these may be sticky. Pretty much almost all of them.
Do a pet peeve video.
I think I did my intro pretty good, don't you?
Probably first video, yeah.
Yeah, and I'm actually posting this on YouTube.
I got a bunch of videos posted.
As you know in the title, it's going to be Slime Tour. So yeah. When you see the title, it'll be. Oh, that's so cool. What is it?
Oh.
Pieces of glitter stuck to my finger. Okay, here's my green slime. I don't know if I've already told you. Sorry, Elizabeth. I'm here with Elizabeth and I'm at her house. It's okay. Okay-ish. It's a little sticky. Made it with contact solution, shaving cream, and food coloring. Food coloring is optional. You could use other activators. Oh yeah, and I made it with Elmer's glue. Okay, that was the first slime. Now time for the second. Unless you don't want to show her slimes, then we're probably not going to show them. But here's my purple slime. Look at it.
Oh my god.
Like, color got mixed into it. I don't know if y'all could see that, but it like looks so cool. It's really poppy. Okay, this one is stretchy. Stretchy. Okay, it's still trying to stretch on me. Okay, let's do a swirl real quick. Quick little cute swirl. Not the best, but anyways. So this slime is I use pink and blue food color, and I use more, not pink, red. I use a lot more red than blue, like a drop, like 2 drops more. You can tell because of the darkness. It's made with the shaving cream contact solution. So, drop that one in the basket. Voila. Okay, next up slime is my slime that my friend actually made me with foaming hand soap. It has glitter in it, and I have the same exact slime that Elizabeth is playing with. See, same exact. But I added a whole bunch of shaving cream to them, and that is the reason there's 2 containers, because I added too much shaving cream. So
and then there was too much slime. Yeah,
sorry, she's weird.
You know what? I'll try to scoot closer.
Hope you know I am posting this on YouTube.
I know. I do YouTube videos all the time when you're not here.
Oh, I don't even know my YouTube account name, so yeah.
So I hear.
Tell the whole world.
Well, they're gonna be watching your channel.
Oh yeah. Sorry guys, I'm mentally insane. Okay, now time for my bead slime that I made a few weeks ago, days ago, months ago. Who knows anymore?
Wasn't we going to sell that for $4.50?
Yeah. I'm selling some of my slimes, not much though. This one is my bead slime. Whoop whoop. See the beads?
We might sell some on eBay.
eBay.
You know.
No, just kidding. Wow, did y'all see that? Look how quick this one falls.
Well, no, I could be here all day.
Okay, this one is made with foaming hand soap. Food coloring optional. And
did you hear that?
Elizabeth. And other ingredients that I do not really remember at the moment because I'm going insane. Okay. This is my blue slime that my friend Allie made for me. Thanks,
gotta keep the alleys in.
Thanks, Allie, girl. I'm not gonna give you her last name because that'd be weird. She made it with borax and clear glue.
Everybody makes it with borax.
Not everybody. And blue glitter and little stars are in it. That stuff has laundry detergent in it.
Yeah, I might die.
Here's my gold slime that Allie made me.
It's the best slime she has.
Allie made this for my friend, but my friend let me borrow it for a day, and I will be right back. Okay, sorry, I had to go do something. I tried like not to be gone too long. He's back. I know. I don't know why I just did that. That's a poor accident. Alright, this is my basket that I keep all my slime in. Ooh, it feels like I have a bloody nose. Okay, I'm going to put all my slime back. And today, it was my first video. We hope you, well, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm not too sure. Elizabeth did. I might have different people on my channel each day. But thank you for watching. Please hit that like, subscribe, and hit that bell down below. Bye, guys.